Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your E-Cebuana account, and this is the latest full guide. Now what I want you to do is first click here and get started. Remember, they use Persona to do this. It's completely safe. They use it for different things like Google AdSense as well. Then you need to upload a photo ID, okay? So you can choose from any of these options. Let's select, for example, UMID, okay? Tap on it and then allow permissions for it to take pictures and record video. You can do while using the app. And then you center the ID in the frame, okay? And then you take your photo, and if it's okay, you can tap on it looks good. Otherwise, you can retake it, make sure all the edges are visible, right? Then tap on looks good, and it will process your ID. Just give it a few seconds. Then you need to take a selfie to make sure it's you. So click on get started, and then I want you to just look at the camera straight up. Do not wear glasses or anything like that. Your photo should match your ID. Click on get started. Once it processes your selfie, your verification will be done using Persona. Tap on done, and then you need to answer some questions. So this is the FTCA declaration. You say whether or not you are a citizen of the United States, and are you a United States permanent resident card holder. Choose these options and proceed to the next step, which is customer risk profiling. You just answer the questions accurately. Okay, they'll basically gauge your risk profile. And then finally, once you're done, come here and tap on confirm after you've answered the questions. Make sure you have provided, true and accurate information. And then you'll get this pop-up saying that congratulations, you've opened your E-Cebuana account. And then what you need to do is tap on log into my account. Now you need to go to your email box for verification to activate your account to actually log in. So go to your email, and then right here, you'll see your registration details. And then you need to just click here to verify your account. Or you can copy and paste the URL to your browser. Okay. And then all you need to do is just log into your account because now you're verified and you've activated it. Log in and then accept the terms and conditions. I agree. Set your 5-digit PIN. Click on set PIN. And there you go. You're done. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.